Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about prompt engineering. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So first of all, we will understand what is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting effective prompts to guide AI models such as GPT-4 in generating desired outputs. This process involves designing inputs that are clear, specific, and contextually relevant to achieve accurate and useful results from AI systems. Now the question is, what is AI model? An AI model is a computer program designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. These models are trained on large datasets to recognize patterns and make decisions or predictions based on new data. AI models use various algorithms to process data inputs and achieve specific tasks without needing explicit instructions for every scenario. They are essential in applications like image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. Why is prompt engineering important? Prompt engineering is important in three ways. Improved accuracy. A well-crafted prompts help AI models to understand the context better, leading to more accurate and relevant responses. So the accurate prompt will help you get the desired output faster. Efficiency. Effective prompts reduce the need for multiple iterations, saving time and computational resources. Customization. Tailored prompts can leverage the strengths of different AI models, optimizing their performance for specific tasks. Key concepts in prompt engineering. There are three key concepts in prompt engineering. First is clarity. The prompt should be clear and unambiguous. Second, specificity. Providing specific instruction helps the AI model to focus on the desired outcome. And the context. Including relevant context ensures the AI model understands the background and nuances of the task. So let's understand few examples of prompt engineering. First is text generation. So basic prompt is something like write a short paragraph on energy saving tips. In that case, you will get an output something like this. There are many ways to save energy. You can turn off lights when not in use energy efficient appliances, and reduce water heating costs. Now we will understand engineered prompt. Write a 200 paragraph for beginners about the basics of energy saving. Include 4 tips in a list format on reducing waste and conserving energy. Now you see the output. Here we have given the instruction to write a 200-word paragraph, and it should be 4 tips in a list format. And if you look at the output, you see that we have 4 lists, right, where the instruction has been given how to save the energy, which is turn off lights, use energy efficient appliances, reduce water heating cost, and unplug devices. So this is one benefit of using the engineered prompt. Second example is data analysis, where you will write a basic prompt something like analyze the sales data for trends, and you will get the output like sales data shows an increase in sales during the holiday season. But when you write an engineered prompt, you will be writing something like analyze the sales data from January to December 2023, identify 3 key trends and provide a brief explanation for each. Now if you look at the output, you have 3 points where the data or key trends have been explained, right? What are the techniques in prompt engineering? There are 3 techniques. First is few short prompting, where you will provide a few examples within the prompt to guide the AI model. Second is chain of thought prompting, breaking down the task into smaller steps to help the AI model follow a logical sequence. And third one is role prompting, where you will assign a specific role to the AI model to set the tone and style of the response. So let's understand the example of free short prompting, where you will give the prompt something like this, like translate the following English sentences to French. Example, hello, how are you? And good morning, thank you, see you later. And after the AI model understand this prompt, it will generate the output in the French. Now let's understand the example of chain of thought prompting, where you will write the prompt something like this. Solve the following math problem step by step. What is the sum of 8 and 12? And the output will be, first identify the numbers to be added, which is 8 and 12. Add the numbers 8 plus 12 and the sum is 20. Now let's understand the best practices for prompt engineering. First is iterative testing. Continuously test and refine prompts to improve accuracy and relevance. Second, feedback incorporation. Use feedback from AI outputs to adjust and enhance the prompts. And third one is model specific tailoring. Customize prompts based on the strengths and limitations of different AI models. In this case, you will have to learn about the AI models and their capability and limitations. So what is the conclusion of this? The conclusion is prompt engineering is a crucial skill for maximizing the potential of AI models. By crafting clear, specific, and contextually relevant prompts, you can guide AI systems to produce accurate and useful outputs. Whether you are generating text, analyzing data, or translating languages, effective prompt engineering can significantly enhance the performance of AI models. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.